Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Toyota Corolla's maintenance light. Start by getting into your Toyota Corolla. Turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll want to make sure your odometer or trip meter is visible on the dashboard display. If it's not, simply press the Odo/Trip button a few times until you see it. This is the first crucial step to prepare for the reset process. Now, turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the Odo/Trip button. Keep holding it down and then turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not release the button yet. This sequence is key to entering the maintenance light reset mode. Keep holding that Odo/Trip button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the maintenance light on your dashboard will begin to flash. After a few flashes, the display will show 000000 or 5 dashes. This visual confirmation means the reset procedure has been successfully completed. Once you see 000000 or the dashes, you can release the Odo/Trip button. Turn the ignition completely off for a moment. Now, go ahead and start your engine. The maintenance required light should no longer be illuminated, confirming that the reset was successful. You've just saved yourself a trip to the mechanic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.